Today we are playing Wednesday. Let's go head to it. So we have to head to the courtyard. Let's go. Squeeze through the door. I'm not going to the courtyard though. Let's go. Okay, room 2. Okay, I'm here. I just got teleported. Good morning, everyone. Nice to see you all. Let's introduce the new students to everyone. There are the normies. And there are the werewolves. They can transform and have claws that do extra damage. There are the vampires. They have fangs and special abilities. Good to know. Fangs and special abilities. And this is Wednesday. That's crowded around like 6 people already. She's new here. Please make her feel welcome. Oh, I think everyone's making her feel welcome. Everyone's here taking hello to Wednesday. Okay, take a minute to introduce myself. Let's introduce ourselves to vampires. Hi, I'm Zoe and I record videos. Yeah, that's what I do. See you later. Hi, I'm Zoe and I record videos. Let's introduce ourselves to Wednesday. No! We didn't get enough time. You didn't give us enough time. Give us more. I want to climb the tree. I don't care what the principal says. I'm climbing trees. Class already. Well, that sucks. Okay, let's go to class. Let's be the first. We're gonna bunk class. We're not going to class. Let's go. Okay, so there's class. Look, you go in, you can go out. Oh, I want to sit next to Wednesday. I'm out. Wait, actually, I'm kidding. Really? Hi, bye. I'm gonna go explore. Hopefully I don't go in the forest. Hopefully I don't. Okay. Exit. Yes, let's exit this crazy place. Guys, this is weird. Why is Wednesday here? Oh no. He's a bit of high maintenance. We can still hear the teacher talking. Oh, this is the part where Wednesday roasts another girl. I have a pet hand. His name is Sting. I can't tell what's more gross, his name or the fact that he's a hand. Your hand might just be my next pet. Okay, so somehow Wednesday got out here. On Wednesday, you're meant to be there. Wait, I have a theory working in progress. Wait, can we climb a tree? Aww, you have to go to the courtyard again. I'm actually completely lost. Okay, I'm the first one to the courtyard. No, never mind. Should we tell the others about what I saw? Yeah, let's say in chat. Hi, guys. I bunked class. Oh, class. Hi guys, I bunked class. I saw 2 Wednesdays. Hi guys, I bunked class. I saw 2 Wednesdays. Which was really weird. Because there's 1 Wednesday in class and... No, not you. If you bunked class, then yes. Let's ride this ride. No, this is a running ride. Okay. I know what ride I'm going on. Yesterday I went on my first roller coaster. You guys are probably like, oh, I've been on many roller coasters. But yeah, I've been on my first roller coaster. I was screaming. I was so scared. But it looked so fun. It's so fun at first. I was like, hey, how bad could it be? But it literally hangs you upside down. Oh, do not enter. Nobody listens to signs. Nobody. Nobody at all. Not even me. Not even us. Because Blue Shrek's gonna appear in the game. Let's go see Blue Shrek. Blue Shrek, Blue Shrek. Let's go see Blue Shrek. Where's Blue Shrek? There he is. Blue Shrek. Hi, Blue Shrek. Hi, Blue Shrek. Hi. Hi, Blue Shrek. Hi, Blue Shrek. Shrek. We were definitely not in the forest. We weren't in the forest. Wednesday. Can you explain to me why there are 2 Wednesdays? No, I'm serious, guys. There were 2 Wednesdays. I might be seeing things, but it's probably a glitch in the game. Hi, Principal. We weren't in the woods. These crazy people were. I wasn't. So, let's go. I'm just gonna continue playing games. Oh, he's got 1 more balloon left. Make it. Yeah, you get prize. He literally popped all the balloons. Let's go. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, let's go. Go back to your bedrooms. Yeah, we won't go back to our bedrooms. We're gonna sneak out and get killed by Blue Shrek. Where is my bedroom? I have no clue where my bedroom is. I have 0 clues where my bedroom is. No clue. Hopefully I'm doing this right. I have no clue where my bedroom is. I am new, so I do not know where my bedroom is. Ah, perfect. Good night, everyone. Okay, now it's time for our plan, right? No, we're gonna make a plan now, today. Today we're gonna make a plan. Rise and shine. Please head to the courtyard before class. Yep, I'm first one here. Woohoo! Hi, Principal. I'm up early. Yeah. Are you the monster? Are you Blue Shrek? Literally, I saw the monster. I saw Blue Shrek. Don't you know about Blue Shrek? Don't you know about Blue Shrek? Literally, don't you know? Guys, we have to do something about that monster. Wednesday's right. Yeah. But that's the 5th person it's killed. I'm just going to point out, isn't it kind of suspicious that Wednesday knows how many people it's killed? That's kind of suspicious. That's kind of suspicious. But I know Wednesday's not the monster. It's Wednesday's crush. Okay, let's do it. Do what? Later that night. Good night, everyone. Oh yeah, don't be aware, Wednesday's group is gonna go night hunting for this monster that they say they saw. So yeah, that's why Wednesday and the gang's gonna stay up. So yeah, see you guys later. Only if the principal knew. We're hunting for the hide. That looks like Blue Shrek. Don't let them see you. Okay, don't let them see you. Thing will show you the way. Okay, where's Thing? Thing. Follow the... Okay, Thing, where are we going? Okay, be careful not to touch the red laser stuff. Okay, let's go there. Okay, thing. Where are we going? No. Yo, we nearly got killed. Okay, let's go. Oh, wait, we gotta wait. Okay, let's go. We're not getting seen by any cameras so far. So far, so good. Okay, no, we died. I think I'm gonna end that video there, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys get this video to 5 likes, we'll do another video on this.